Hi everyone, welcome to Waste Less Westbrook. Today, I've still got the apron on, but I'm stepping away from the stovetop. I'm going to share with you 3 recipes for chemical-free and plastic-free cleaners. I'm going to do a multi-purpose cleaner, a dishwashing liquid, and a laundry liquid. I've been making these for years, and honestly, I never want to swap back. It's cheaper, it's easier than going to the shops, it's plastic-free and chemical-free. So, let's get into it, shall we? The multi-purpose cleaner, it's dead easy, it's literally 3 ingredients. I start by pouring 250 ml of water into a large jug, followed by 200 ml of white vinegar. Then finally, 20 drops of any essential oil you like. I go with lemon because I like that citrus fragrance when I'm cleaning. And that's it. It simply goes into a brown bottle. It has to be a brown bottle, guys. Otherwise, you lose some of that lovely fragrance from the essential oils because they react differently to light. Or if you're using a clear bottle, just try and store it away from direct sunlight. And honestly, it's just that easy. I make this while I have my morning coffee. I use it for glass, I use it for the stovetops, pretty much any surface, and as you can see, it's really effective. And honestly, I was amazed the first time I made this because it does such a fantastic job with only 3 ingredients. The cleaning product giants are lying to you, man. Next up, dishwashing liquid. Start with 300 ml of boiling water, 200 ml of white vinegar, 100 ml of liquid castile soap, then 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Then for the essential oils, I'm going to be going with 8 drops each of grapefruit and eucalyptus because I really like my clean dishes to smell like gum trees. It's a really great way to transport yourself to the Australian outback without leaving your home. And I almost forgot 1 tablespoon of soda crystals. This one is equally as easy as the multi-purpose cleaner, but it does require a few uncommon ingredients. So check the description below for links on where to buy everything. There will also be a few links to where to buy the brown bottles and the essential oils, but if you can, it's better to buy locally. Make sure you give it a nice thorough shake every time you use it, just to get everything incorporated again. And this one won't get as soapy as normal dishwashing liquids, but honestly it still does the job and it smells great. Next up, laundry liquid. Start off by grating 2 blocks of castile soap. You can definitely use the liquid castile soap, but I find the blocks more cost effective when making this recipe. And try and use an older grater if you can, or clean it very thoroughly because you don't want to be pulling little blocks of soap out of your teeth the next time you grate some carrots. And I'm not talking from previous experience. Then you're going to be adding 1 cup of soda crystals and 1 cup of baking powder, which I forgot to add, but I came back and put it in a bit later. Followed by 2 liters of boiling water, and then we're just going to let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until all that castile soap is melted away. It's honestly fascinating to watch. And this time around, I went with 2 bars of eucalyptus castile soap, which I found was great at removing bad odors from my clothes, especially my chef uniforms. And that gets stored in a large jar. And make sure you're always giving it a label because you don't want your housemates or your girlfriend to get confused on what exactly it is. So when it actually comes to using the laundry liquid, I just use 1/3 of a cup per wash. And I found it works on top loaders, front loaders, and it also works on hot and cold washers. There you have it, guys. 3 super simple, super easy homemade cleaning products. They're gonna save you time, they're gonna save you money, and most importantly, you're not buying those plastic bottles anymore. Make the switch today and leave a like and leave a comment on the video if you want to try it at home, and subscribe for more plastic-free tips.